The 2011 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.